I'm trying to consistent, I ain't lying. Ooh, what's good? We back with another one. It's your boy Migo, the entrepreneur. I'm gonna start dealing off the rip, showing y'all what it look like. This one of the worst sides of the house. Dirty. I'm gonna touch that little block up right there. How y'all doing today, man? Hope everybody doing amazing. Clean this little front walkway up. Hopefully they don't want to upsell the driveway. Gutters, they dirty. Got my water hooked up. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Y'all been showing a lot of love. Y'all keep it going up. Y'all share these videos. Help your boy out, man. Look at that. It's dirty. It's a beautiful day out here today, too. We ain't got to do none of this concrete back here. But I'm sure gonna mention it, you know. And once again, it's the most dirtiest side. So we about to get it popping, y'all. I'm gonna take some good before and after pictures, add to this video before it's out. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'm already pulled. I already got my hoses pulled. I can really turn this water on. He gonna definitely want that driveway done once he see that concrete. That's my trick. A lot of times I just do that for free, just so they can see how clean it is, and they be like, well, let's go on and do the driveway. All right, y'all. I'm about to crank up and get everything situated. We about to start. I'm gonna set up. I don't even really want to do no fancy edits this time, like everybody else be saying. No fancy edits. I'm gonna let this side up too, so we can breathe. This side got to be up. Yeah, it's on. So good. Alright, y'all. I'm about to start rinsing down this front walkway, and I'm really just finna run down to y'all what I'm about to do, cause I really ain't gonna have time. I ain't gonna lie, I got other jobs to do, but this the only vlog I'm doing. I'm gonna do the front walkway and the porch concrete first, right? I'm gonna do the front walkway and the porch concrete first, right? Cause I like to do my concrete first. And then I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna just go on and start in the back and work my way around. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna even take long either. It's 11:30. Let's go. I'll be back in a minute, y'all. I just went on and started in the back, but I just started on the dirtiest side that I showed y'all. Just went on and sprayed that side, and I just sprayed my chemical on that side. I'm about to go on around. I'm just gonna go on and hit that side over there. By the time I get done spraying that side over there, I'm gonna come rinse from right here on over and just hit the front. Rinse and we out. I already done cleaned the front walkway. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all can see them chemicals doing the job already. Still working. Still working, but I need to spray that little part again. But stay tuned, y'all. To that back, it working. Y'all stay tuned. About to rinse. I got my chemical in the whole house. I ain't gonna even lie, I just splashed the whole house real quick. Now I'm about to go on and rinse everything. Y'all can see that. That's that side. I ain't finna waste no time. I just want y'all to see the process. Y'all can see this house clean. We ain't even rinsed it. Just got done applying the chemical. Just got done applying. Now we about to get ready to rinse. I'm about to get ready to rinse. It's 12 o'clock, y'all. We got here at 11:30. Clean. Let's go. Let's get it. We on the road. Let's get it. Start rinsing from the top to the bottom. I'm about to start right here and rinse the whole house. Rinse from the top to the bottom. Y'all can see how clean that is. This whole side clean. I'm finna start rinsing from over here and rinse all the way around to the front. M5 twist nozzle, downstreaming nozzle. That's what I'm using. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, we done with this house. Guess what? She came out, all her house done. We about to go wash her house next. I got a driveway cleaning to do too. I'm waiting on my customer to hit back. She may want to do it Monday. She said either today or Monday. She ain't hit back yet, so she must want to get her house, her driveway clean Monday. Look at that. It's clean. Clean, day and night. He said he want his driveway clean next week, and them back patio and them slabs in the back. The driveway and the back slabs. These two slabs. We'll be back in the driveway. Look at that. Amazing work, y'all. Clean that up too. All right, y'all, I'm about to get ready to, I already done pulled my hoses over there. You can see I got enough hoses already to do this whole house. I ain't even got to move my truck. But that's it for this house, y'all. Let's go next door and see what we got over there. Some gutters came out good. I've been done. I was just talking to the homeowner and I was talking to her. I got done. It took me an hour to wash that house. She already done pulled. I gotta tell her she got her water turned off on the outside from the inside. So I'm gonna try to turn it on real quick. Do this front walkway. Watch this house, you can see. It stand out more on the color vinyl. Is it a way you can turn your water on it?
Yeah, I will. I go out to the garage.
Okay.
When you're doing around the cameras and stuff, would you be kind of careful?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't reposition.
Okay, I got you. I ain't gonna put no pressure on it. I ain't gonna touch it. It ain't gonna damage it at all.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go in here and turn the water on now.
Okay. That's dirty, y'all. See it better like this. That gate open around the other side. All right, y'all, I'm about to hook this water up real fast and then get it started, but we're gonna see what this back look like first, cause I wanna show y'all how do I get in here. Guess that was the side. This front walkway. We're gonna do that first as usual. I don't know. I'm walking to the back real quick. It should be though. It should be. Let me check.
Okay.
I'll be back, y'all. Let me go on and get set up over here, and we'll be back. Property protection. I almost left my tarp over here at this house. I'm about to go wash that one now. Got a garden right now. Cover it up. Make sure no SH don't kill it in there, you know? All right, y'all, I'm back. Let's check out this back. Kind of clean. Look like it got oxidation on it. Nah, it's just discolored. Ain't no oxidation on it at all, though. It's just discolored. It's a little bit, not major. Oh, yes, it is. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I wash all my houses like it's oxidation on it anyway. So I don't mess nothing up, you know? But I'm hooked up. I'm about to crank up this pressure washer. And then we about to get it popping. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all, I'm about to get started at this other house. Y'all can see my truck way over there. I got enough hoses to do this whole house. I'm about to do this front walkway first. And then we're gonna wash the house.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we done. Done with both of them. Look at that. That front walkway cleaned up. I'm gonna post treat it before I leave. It was the dirtiest side. Looking better, cleaned up. All up under here. No spider webs, no nothing. Clean. clean. Look at that. No more oxidation. Clean. Two-in-one. Light work. Heavy work for me is maybe 5 houses, probably 5 driveway. I need a lot like that. That's a lot of work for me. 2 houses, 1 driveway, 2 driveways. That's nothing. I'm knocking that out instantly. You dig? Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Beautiful. Y'all share my videos, man. Any questions or whatever, I comment. I respond to all comments now. I ain't now one of them companies that don't respond. Yeah, we ain't the company that ain't gonna, that don't be, how you can comment on somebody's video and they won't even respond or like what you commented or nothing. That ain't me. I see all negative things and I'm definitely responding to that too. I got the energy you got. Same energy you give out, I'm giving back. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's a beautiful day out here. I can't wait till the season really hit. Because it really ain't pressure washing season, but where I'm at, it's still doing numbers. So, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I thank y'all for watching, man. And I meant to tell y'all too, I did that one, that house in that driveway, that one, and this one next door to that one too right here. I did them, and I got all of these in the row just by doing each other's, you know what I'm saying? They be seeing my truck, and it don't take me long, and then neighbors talk, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all gotta just make sure you up on your marketing, got your truck ladder, you being seen, you need to get your company seen. Look at my truck. I need to be seen at all times. I'm in traffic or not, you know what I'm saying? I'm in traffic or not, I need my truck to be seen. But I love y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more. I got more content dropping soon. More new content finna drop. And we about to go up, man. If you're in the Atlanta area, you need pressure washing, give us a call. Any pressure washers in the area, any questions, or you want to link up for whatever, hit the DM on social medias, call my business phone or whatever, whatever you need to do to get in contact with me, do that. And let's get it. Let's go, we out.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to consistent, I ain't lying. Going up, it's time. Got up on my ass and got a bag. I grind. Run it up, my family having no capping, dripping in fashion. Look at us, yeah, we deserve it. Came from nothing. We been working, we was patient.